Hey everybody, and welcome back to the MindCatcher's channel. Today I want to share with you something very briefly. This is a company that is fairly new to me. They reached out to me and asked me would I like to try their products, and I said yes, and I'm glad that I did because the products are very, very nice. Okay, it's called Stilazzi. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'll put the name right here in the video. And the first package they sent out to me were their gel liners, which can be used as bases on the eyes as well as gel eyeliners. So I'm just going to give you the names of them and give you some swatches so you guys can see. And so the little eyeliners come in boxes just like this. So nice little boxes. All of the names of the products and everything are on the box. You get 5 grams of product in each gel liner. And it says here that it lasts for 12 months before you want to throw it out. And Stilazzi comes out of Los Angeles, California. I will leave their website down below so you guys can check them out for yourself. The first product here is called Tiger's Eye, and this is a gel liner. All of them have like this foil over them. And you peel back the foil. It keeps them nice and bouncy and soft. It's extremely soft and smooth. And I've already used Tiger's Eye in a tutorial. I believe that was my dark skin makeup tutorial that I did a few weeks ago. I'm going to leave the link down below, but very nice and creamy. I'm going to give you a swatch of Tiger's Eye. Kind of, I don't know what you would call this. Let me not lie about color. I really don't want to give you guys a bad color name or try to describe this. I'll just let you see it because I'm not good with colors, but it's a beautiful shade and I used it already. And the next shade name here is Emerald, and this is absolutely gorgeous. That is Emerald, and you see how creamy it is. You saw me brush it. I'm using like a little like a glitter brush, silicone type brush. Very creamy. The next shade here is Amethyst. The next shade is Smoky Quartz, and this makes me feel like it's a cool brown, like a stone type color. It's very pretty. I think that'll be beautiful on the eyes, like all over the eyes, blended out a nice smoky eye with that. This is called Sapphire. It is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that blue is beautiful. And this last one, I just made 2 stripes because this is just jet black. Okay, very creamy, rich, dark black. So super awesome. Can't wait to see how that is going to translate into a wing for me. Like, it's going to be nice and blendable when I start blending it out with my fingertips. It looks like all of them are going to be gorgeous smoky eye shades. So I cannot wait to play around with these. I'm going to share with you a few other products that Stilazzi sent to me. I figured I would throw the next package into this video as well so you guys can get a feel of the company. I'm just going to wing it right now. I haven't done any research on it, but they did give me a nice little cheat sheet. And they also gave me a cute letter. Look, it has a stamp on it like I got accepted to Hogwarts. I'm a big Harry Potter fan, so I love that. Okay, so it looks like they sent me 2 collections of their brushes. One collection is called the Artisan Luxe Collection, and that is luxurious, pro quality, 100% natural hair, handmade brushes. And the other set is the Studio Series Collection, ultra soft bristles, 100% synthetic hair, handmade and vegan, and that's the Studio Series. So let me see how I'm going to divide these up so I can show you. I think I'm going to start off with the synthetic series, and they come packaged like that, and you take them out of the packaging. They also have nets on them to keep the bristles nice and tame. So very, very nice. This brush right here that you're seeing is the Duo Fibre Mini Blender. This brush retails for $11. This next brush right here is the Duo Fibre Precision Stipple brush. This is the S301, and this one retails for $9. So it looks to me like, you guys, if you're looking for a nice affordable brush set, or you want to start collecting brushes, looks like this might be a nice brand to start with. This is the Duo Fibre Small Powder Brush. This is an S305, and that's $12. Wow, beautiful large brush. This is the Duo Fibre Large Powder Brush. This is the 306, and this retails for $15. One right here is the Flat Face Kabuki Brush. This is the S409, and this retails for $13. This one right here is the Tapered Cheek Brush. This is the S510, and this one is $14. You see that nice tapered end, very nice. This one is the Face Primer Brush. This is the 502, and this one is $10. This is their highlighting brush, and this is the 509. They have this retail for $12. Very nice, and that's the type of highlighter brush I like. I have mine here from Sigma, and that's the Sigma F35, so you can see them side by side. The Stilazzi one is white. Okay, on to eye brushes. This is the Mini Definer brush, the 206, very tiny, and this one is $6. And I like little brushes like this for the bottom lash line and to cut my crease sometimes. Very nice. Next one is the Flat Concealer Brush. This is the 500, and this is $6. Here is the Kabuki Dome Shader Brush. This is the 400, and this is, I'm looking at my paper, can I find it? This is $10. I like brushes like this for the sides of my nose when I'm doing a contour. This is the Large Blender Brush. This is the 212, and this is $8. This is a smaller blender brush, great for little eye people like me who have little eyes. This is the 211, and it is $8. This is the Angled Liner Brush. That's the 204. That one is $6. And this one is the Angled Mini. So I like they went a little bit smaller because I like small angled brushes to do my wing liner. And for my brows, I like a small angled brush. This one is the 203, and it's $5. So I'm loving that. You can get really precise with your brows, and you can do a very nice wing liner with this. Beautiful, and these are full-size brushes. These are not like travel size brushes. They are beautiful. Okay guys, so I'm not going to go through all of the Artisan Luxe brushes, but they are beautiful. They all have black handles. I'm taking them all out of the packaging so you can at least see them. And they aren't expensive at all either. They are, let me see, the highest price brush here is $15. And these are all of the Artisan Luxe brushes, and they are very, very soft. Very soft. They all have black handles and gold writing, and every single brush has a number and a name. Beautiful brushes. So I will leave all of the information down below for Stilazzi. I want you guys to please go over to their website and check them out. They have some super gorgeous products. So far, so good. I have not seen anything from them that I didn't like. Those gel liners were absolutely gorgeous. Love them. All right, guys, so that is it. So glad to share it with you. They are a very nice company. I really appreciate them sending that stuff over to me. And I thank you guys for joining me today. Please give me a thumbs up if you like that video. If you love these gel liners and you want to see me do some outrageous looks. I'm not going to get too outrageous, guys. But if you want to see me do some nice looks with those liners, give me a thumbs up. If you would like to know which collection I like best, I'm going to have to use them a while, and then I'll come back and let you guys know. Cyber kisses. Talk to you in another video. Bye.